I will now explain to you our risk assessment framework, which accounts for two aspects. So, when we look at risk, first of all, the tool accounts for how different industry sectors may depend on water and biodiversity due to the nature of their activities, and also how they may impact on water and biodiversity. We then combine this industry specific information with best available geospatial data on the state of freshwater and biodiversity. And more specifically, the water risk filter actually incorporates 32 different global data sets focused only on water. Meanwhile, the biodiversity risk filter incorporates over 50 different global data sets covering a broad range of marine and terrestrial biodiversity aspects. And so in the tool, we basically the water risk filter and biodiversity combine these two factors to then calculate water basin risks and biodiversity scape risks for all company sites uploaded in the tool. Therefore, obviously, in order to assess risks, you do have to input information on the location and industry of all company sites into the tool, into the joint portfolio manager, in order to assess unique water and biodiversity risks.